Hello guys, today I've got the NOTHING Headphones A and I'm going to show you all the controls and gestures in our headphones. So as you can see, if we tap our headphones icon in our NaviX application, we can see all the list of our controls. As you can see, the single press of our main button here is voice assistant. The button is, wait a moment, here. And the single press can activate voice assistant. Apart from that, here, okay, let me go in. Here, as you can see, we get Gemini by tapping it, and we can select noise control, camera, shutter, microphone, mute, equalizer preset, or no action. Here, press and hold. Voice assistant, noise control, mic mute, equalizer preset, or no action. Roller, press and hold, as for noise control, roller, single press, play and pause, roll, volume control, paddle right, left, skip forward, skip back, answer, hang up calls, and paddle right, left and hold, fast forward, rewind. So that's all controls we have here. Goodbye.